Hi guys, my name is Nilo Gadoni. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share, and thank you so much for being here. Today I am repairing my baby's hair. I have been doing my baby's hair for the longest time because I am a very paranoid mom. I am not a Dettol mom at all. I am a very paranoid mom, and I remember this one time I took her to the salon and she was younger. We were preparing for Christmas holidays, so I thought she should look good. Her hair should look professional, not like the ones I usually make, because I've been doing her hair like from matutas to rastas in her own hair to braids. I'm not very good at cornrows, so I don't do much of those, but I've been doing her hair. But now I thought it's Christmas, she should look very good. Her head broke out with this sauce that got me so paranoid about the salons. Yes, I have a paranoid mom. She doesn't even have her ears pierced because I'm afraid of those things that grow, those growths that grow behind the ear. Hey, she will pierce her own ears when she's in the university. Anyway, she had rastas, her own hair rastas on. So now I'm just going to do something very simple to allow the hair to breathe. So I'll see you there. Hi baby.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Say something.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is my hair, and Mom is about to make it so beautiful. I will show you when I'm ready.
Very good, baby. So this is her hair. This is how it looks. Her hair has really grown, and I can proudly say I have walked with this hair, this journey. Okay, see you. See you. So guys, I am using Blue Magic to make her hair soft. I have just washed it, as you can see. is her hair now. Super cute, super simple.